Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fill a table with color in Google Docs. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fill a table with color in Google Docs, go to your Google Docs and open the table which you want to fill with color. Just select the table. If you want, you can fill the single color of the table. Select the full table and right click on it and then click on table properties. And if you do not find table properties, just go to the scroll bar here and scroll it. You will find the table properties. Click on table properties. Expand the color. Here you will find the table border and then the cell background. And now the background color is white. Click on the drop down menu here and select a color. I'm selecting a color, dark blue 2. And look, the whole table is filled with a single color. If you want to customize your table in multiple colors, in multiple row. First, the title row. Select the title row. Under cell background color, click on the color drop down menu here. And I'm selecting the color for title row. Now, next row, just select the row and again go to the cell background color and choose the color from here. I'm selecting a different color and another one, and again cell background color, and I'm choosing another color, and again the last line, choose the background color. And look, in this way you can fill different row in different color. But if you want, you can fill each cell with different color. For example, just click on the cell and click on the cell background color, and I'm selecting a color from here. Look, it's the different color. This one, just click on the cell and then click on the cell background color, and I'm choosing here different color and another one again and another one and again. This is the easiest way to fill a table with color in Google Docs. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.